Got a torn iPhone 16 Apple silicone case? Don't toss it. I'll show you how to use shoe glue, not super glue, and why that matters. Super glue dries stiff and brittle. It can crack again with daily use. Shoe glue stays flexible, waterproof, and bonds rubber-like materials much better, just like your silicone case here. And that's why you want to use shoe glue rather than super glue. All right, so here's what you're gonna need as far as tools. You're gonna need the shoe glue, you're gonna need toothpick, masking tape. I forgot to put this in. Or painter's tape, or you could use some kind of parchment paper like wax paper. And then paper towel or cloth. I have something here, it's like thicker than paper towel, so it won't rip apart. And then you can use gloves, but I don't think it's necessary. So let's go ahead and show you how to do it. All right, we're gonna fix right here, the edge. Let's go. I forgot to mention, you're gonna need an alcohol pad or just like alcohol spray and a piece and a cloth to wipe it down. Because what we're gonna wanna do is go ahead and clean this spot right here first. All right, so first, let's go ahead and clean it up. We're gonna wanna take the case off. We don't wanna get glue on the iPhone itself. Nice and clean. All right, so let me go ahead and show you. So this part is the ripped part. So see how like it fell right here and it's ripped. So instead of just buying a new case, I'm gonna go ahead and try to fix it first. Ooh, cheese nails. Let's go ahead and clean it first. I'm gonna just use this alcohol pad. All right, so just go ahead and wipe it down right here in the corner where we're gonna glue it. All right, so you can see like the plastic is actually broken as well. All right, so next we're gonna wanna get a toothpick. And you can also use like one of those floss picks, like one of these right here. But I'm gonna go ahead and use the toothpick. And next, we're gonna go ahead and get the shoe glue. So let's go ahead and use this cloth. Go ahead and put some shoe glue on the toothpick. Now you wanna be careful. Oh my gosh. All right, we're back. Yeah, it just kind of popped out on its own, high altitude. But all right, let's go ahead. Oh, this comes actually with a little thing, so we can actually use this instead of the toothpick. But let's go ahead and get some of this glue. I'm gonna squeeze it out. Oops. Okay. So we don't need too much glue actually. And let's go ahead and let's push it out a little bit. And we're gonna wipe it down after, so that's all you have to do pretty much. Just put it inside. Try to get as much as you can. And then next, we're gonna get the masking tape. I should have did this before, but don't follow my lead. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and then put it like this. And then now that the glue's on, we're gonna go ahead and hold it like this. No, you just want to hold it for like 30 seconds, a minute, and then we're going to tape it and leave it, let it cure for about 2 hours or even overnight if you can. So just go ahead and hold it like that. Now it is stuck together, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use more masking tape, and then we're going to go ahead and tape it on. Now, like I said, leave it for a couple hours. Is all you have to do. And I'll just go ahead, put it like that. Yep, and then now we'll leave it overnight, or we'll go ahead and leave it for a couple hours. Make sure it's nice and tight. And this shoe glue should work. All right, let's check it out. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and check out how the phone turned out. It's been like 3-4 hours now. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the tape. All right, see, can you see the focus? Okay. So as you can see, it ripped right there, but then, yeah, now it's sticking. Like I mean, you can't tell really, but then I am pulling at it, and it's it's become one piece again. Let me try to get focus for you guys. All right, guys. So, yeah, go ahead and try shoe glue at home. This is just the no brand one. There's the shoe glue brand. But yeah, go ahead and try that at home. And please like or comment if I saved you $60 from buying a new Apple iPhone silicone case. Yeah.